Who else have to come? Who else have to come? Ravi Teja, he is not there, and Praneeth he told he cannot able to attend. So is it? I think any other we are missing.
One more is missing, I think.
Whose name?
I don't remember his name.
So Praneeth one guy and Ravi Teja.
Ravi Teja is missing, I think.
Ravi Teja also messaged. Maybe he is unable to attend. I think. Then we'll start. So today we have to conclude at least one part, right?
Yeah, so we can start. Like,
Yes.
Yes, yes,
anyway,
we can start.
recordings will be there, right?
Yeah, it's not about recordings, right? It is knowledge sharing means we can share the recording. We,
Yeah, but
it is.
whoever is not like able to make it, at least for them, some reference will be there, like what we.
So if we are able to conclude something means if people are there and their views have been finalized means then we can at least summarize. Okay, no
Hmm.
problem. Whoever available, we will try to move on. We will not stop for someone.
Hmm. Sure.
So okay. So who will share the screen? Anybody has done something or
I'll start with myself. Like I have tried some of the things, but I don't know
then
whether it's
okay.
going to.
No problem,
Yeah.
no problem. See, everybody is
At
doing
least
like
I
that
can.
only. They
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
researching in their own way. So if something is
Hmm.
wrong, it is like super model. No problem.
Sure. Like I tried for anyway for last 2 days I was totally busy. So whatever time I got today, I tried. So just wanted to share that part. Like so because little bit no I was confused about the data, like which data particularly we are using. So I tried to pull 1 year data and it started from there only. So you can see like it's visible, right?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
visible.
yeah.
Yeah. So I started the same way, like pull the data, then seen what kind of things are there. Then these things are like already been discussed, I think, last time. Like all are in object data types and like columns. What are the columns? Even I got confused with that ozone. That is O3, right? Which is getting used
Ozone is
there.
O3. Yes, correct.
Yeah, yeah. So I was not knowing that. Again, I have to revisit this area and then keeping that ozone in the list. So I made it small by dropping the things, then gone through the basic. Yeah, this is space part. I think last time been discussed. Like there is a space with all the variables
Yes,
name.
yes, it is
Yeah, yeah.
discussed.
So
The code is
correct. So that
exactly
also
the same.
correct. Yeah, yeah. So that also been. I tried to make it proper. Then uh, just getting into the part where we have to convert it into float, that is one thing. Then this is where like done the replacement of none, because none, if you will convert the thing object from object to float, and if it will be none, then it is not going to happen. That is
Yes.
one thing I
Yeah.
faced. I think other people also got the same thing.
Yes.
So before that, we have to make none as nan, and then after doing that only, I tried to convert them into float. And I kept in my current data, I kept time as well, part of the data frame. I have not moved it out because this is going to be, I think, the reference for modeling.
That
Uh,
what we are doing is we are making that as index.
okay, we are making an index. Okay, I'll try to do that. Then percentage wise, I think somebody was discussing last to last meeting about how many data it is missing in terms of just for I'm telling for well 1 year I have taken it.
Okay.
So this is another way of representing like where
Yes.
no data is missing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a visualization way I tried. So it's a actually that what you say that a heat map is there. No, that is what is
Yes. Yes.
being used. Yeah. So these things been done. So coming to the part where we will have to watch for, I think Aman, you tried this, no? That slider, PM, this with
Yes.
Yes,
slider.
yes.
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 Yeah, even I got it today. Are you following the same guy, Srivatsan? Because he is doing a very good work in terms of sharing time series modeling, like how we can do. Actually, I was following him for last 1 year, so I remembered like he was dealing in that. So from there, I got this visualization part. Like
So
how
if
we
Yeah,
can do.
something
using Plotly.
if something is there like
Ah,
that, you can share the link so
sure,
that
sure. I will do
yeah.
that. That is what I thought of bringing it in meeting first, and then I
Mm,
have everything available right away. I
yeah.
will do. So, like variable wise, independent variable wise, we can check how the data is missing this part. We can check, and then I started trying to see like for last 1 year the missing values count. I tried to catch hold. So this is how it is coming up. Like how this number it's showing like. And then here I tried some interpolation actually. I
Okay.
tried with couple of things, but I don't think interpolation is workable here because it's taking one value. Let's see a little example here. Like five values are nan here. When I try to do interpolation using pad method, it is taking all values same. And when tried to visualize it, it is filling up entire. You can see now the data is completely filled up. There is no missing data. But when try to visualize it, so you can see this straight line it is coming.
So it is filling up all the values with the same number or
Yes, yes,
whole.
yes.
Yes,
It's
yes,
But no, no,
that
no.
is a
Just hold on that graph.
yeah, you want. Ah.
Here two straight lines I can see, right? But those two straight lines are not same value. Correct.
No, yeah, that is what like here
So
the
so the
yeah it
whatever
is
the gap is there, it will apply definitely the same value. If the gap is in a separate set of range, then it is
hmm.
defining some other value. Yeah, it will
So
be
are we okay
correct only.
with this?
Yeah, as as per that interpolation, it is working fine. I can see because if I see two gaps, two different areas, there are two different
Hmm.
values also. It is coming up.
Yeah, that I can see when like it is not on the same line. Here it is coming up with different value and making a straight line, and then again this is totally different value, right?
Hmm.
I even I tried with look here it is different story now.
So see, that is what even if you zoom that one, so it will try
Hmm.
to draw a straight line from the last missing value or available value to the latest available value. Even the previous trend
Okay.
which we have, if you zoom now,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will try to draw a linear line since it is a linear
Yeah,
interpolation.
yeah. Just see. So I tried that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this will move. Yeah. So you can see it is actually time series way it is coming. You can see like up and down. And this is where like I think my code has filled that value. So
Mm.
not coming kind of direct drop down. It's a little slanting. So and if I'll go a little further here, yeah, this is something like very straight here. You can see in
No, no,
between this.
it is not slight or slanting. It is
Uh-huh.
touching the available value to the next available value. It is drawing a straight line
So,
between the two
uh,
available values. So in the previous trend, it is the
uh,
value of first it is in the top and the value in the second it is in the bottom. So the slanting line came here. The slanting line is like a straight line because the values are in the same range. The available values, no,
mm,
end to end
mm,
of that
mm.
line, it is in the same line. So it is coming as a straight line.
Is it good? Like we can go with this kind of fill up?
That we have to discuss, I think, because definitely it is not going to work throughout that same data or same value. It is not going to fit
No,
anywhere.
again, it would have been like I'm concerned about the timeline gap. Like, let's see.
Because
How,
if you fit this many number of days with the same value, then the model will
correct.
be like overfitting or biased.
Overfitting. Yeah, it's a kind of overfitting. Yeah,
Bias, it
definitely.
will be biased. Yeah.
Yeah. So then I was like before this meeting, I was exploring some one more option was coming. It is some KNN theory is coming in the picture. They are trying to
KNN
use
imputer.
correct KNN imputer. So that also I thought of trying. But since time was not there, so I left it. I thought of discussing this part. So till this time, I tried like today I sat for the entire day and tried these things in one go.
It was good,
And
good work.
I'm trying to explore other options like not interpolation. Like let me see if I have that open. So many things I opened. Yeah, this one. So look, here we have the imputation method. We can go through. So there are stochastic regression imputation, extrapolation, and interpolation. This is what currently we are on. And there is Hardeck imputation. So these things been said here, like we can try. And apart from that, this is where like using deep learning we can do imputation. Then using multivariate imputation by chained equation. So this I tried, but it didn't work for me. It's thrown an error actually.
So
I
in Google Notebook, it will throw an error because you have to install a C++.
no. I'm using Jupyter. I'm not on Colab.
No, in Colab it will not show error. In Colab
Is
it
it?
will, yes. I also tried this method and I will go to explain this method. Actually, it
Okay.
works well.
It worked actually.
Yes.
Oh, then it's good. No, at least somebody has tried the same thing. It's great. Like we can. So this is what Ishwar, I have for today. Whatever the imputation options are there, I try to explore, and still exploring. I'm not like ending up here. We'll see to it. Like if we can come with the best of the best.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Aman can share that my
But
part if he
I
has.
have some like the basic notes because I have not worked on that interpretation. So can you at least brief what it is like? Interpretation means what it is, how it works. There are different methods, right? So you have worked in one or
Yes.
two.
Method, yeah. Method wise, I was going through the site where it is given. Just a minute. I don't know whether this is in Panda's side actually. So I was exploring that only. I don't know which tab I've opened it. Just a minute. Yeah, I have opened in this one. Just a minute. So in general, what these are the methods actually.
Yeah,
Fill
methods
NA,
okay,
then
but what is
yeah.
interpolation?
So like I didn't go in detail, but I have gone through this particular part, like giving example. When it comes to like I opened all the options, so if we'll go, I think wherever coordinates are coming, like x and y coordinates are coming, there also it is getting used based on the formula they have set up. So since our data is very straightforward, like it's a kind of linear thing we are doing, so we don't have much to explore other option here.
we are not
Like
doing linear thing. We are not doing linear thing.
no, correct. So that is what. So whatever the methods is showing up here, like let's say this one, it's saying x y x is 0. So here x y, since in time series variable is only one, and the other one will be the time. So far I know, like it
Yes.
will be one level with time, but our x and y here, I think it is like two multivariate in a different way, like they're using in different model or what it's getting used. So I'm not sure on that part, but wherever I've seen, it's mostly on the coordinate thing they have mentioned, like x y kind of linear. So this is what I tried. I think.
So syntax
no.
wise, even I got some clarity because by seeing itself what we have to give input
So
and
we
what
have
we
to
can
go
get, it
through
is
the
okay.
yeah.
My
You have
basic
to go
doubts
through
now.
this.
My basic doubts are like there are so many methods. Okay, so when we understand that what that method says, then we can use in the proper path, proper step. Okay,
I'm
where it
getting
is.
your point. That is what I'm getting your point. Like you wanted to have pretty much in detail of each of the methods, so that
At least
which method will be
the
fitting
meaning
here.
of each one, like even some names,
Right,
even I
right.
cannot able to get it. So if it is linear means okay, since we have done regression
No,
problems, we will come to know
yeah.
yes, this is the linearity. But other things, even per name itself, it seems to be very new. Time, okay, whether the time will fits for time series or it says something different. That also
No.
want
We
to
have to
know.
understand why we have to understand with the mathematics getting used here. First thing first, like what kind of thought it is coming. So those things we have to go in detail. So I need some time. I will
No
definitely
problem,
keep it
no
with
problem.
me.
If you have anything, then share it, or else we will
No,
just
that
keep
is
a
what.
note
Uh,
for
yeah, yeah.
the like to do things or something like that. Then
Correct, correct, correct.
we'll
Give me
keep that
some
backup.
time. I will come with complete detail. I'll try to make a PPT on this and will explain like
Mm,
in one of the sessions directly.
yeah,
The
okay.
thing is like I thought no, today I started, so let's get into the direction where we all are heading, like
Okay, okay.
filling up the data and what best can be done. So I tried some R&D and all.
Mm,
So this is what I felt like, it is getting filled, but the data is very much same. So I'm not feeling
mm.
that is going to help in our
Yes, correct.
like preparing the model part.
So
So
apart from interpolation, you have worked on some other things also, right?
yeah, yeah, that is what I tried mice one in my Jupyter notebook. So as Aman is saying, like he tried on Colab. So could
Uh-huh.
be like few dependency was missing in my machine, because of that it failed.
Which
But on
method? Which
Colab,
method?
mice,
Okay,
it's a kind of
okay.
I just opened
It
on that one.
actually works with fancy impute. We have to download fancy impute, matlab pip install fancy impute. That is
Okay.
the library for.
No, no, that is what I tried. This look, peep install impute I did. First, it failed actually. What happened? No, it's saying some error for permission. So I did user, and then it worked. Installation happened properly, but error wise, let me see if it is available. Still in my Jupyter notebook. Or I passed it that. I think that I have overlapped actually. I tried it, but it is not there in my current Jupyter. So it overlap actually. So yeah, so Aman, if you have tried, then you can share right away, and we will start discussing this like offline also whenever we'll have time.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you can share your screen, and
So
is there
make
anything
me.
from my end?
That's what I want to just at least give some conclusion of your like. So we are talking about filling up of null values, right? So you have done some work, okay. But when it says some conclusion, okay, apart from working different things, this suits best like that. If you have some understanding, if you generalize something, then it will be good.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. So what I tried, today mostly I tried to impute data going through the references where it is mostly on the time series. I didn't touch anything out of time series thing. So that way I tried all the options whatever we are seeing here. So in time series mostly it happens that we have to follow the graph where it should be showing some seasonality, like with certain time the data should be having some behavior which can be visible in the graph. Even though it is going little bit here and there, it's okay, but it should have some pattern showing up in the graph. We
Okay,
cannot go with anything very straight or like having very high level of outliers also. We have to discuss outliers here also. Like that is another very
correct,
big
correct.
thing.
So that topic
Yeah,
we will come in the
after
next step,
after
right?
filling up. Yeah, yeah, after filling, because we have to fill and then we have to see whether our data is showing like very much high level outliers
Okay,
or
Nayak,
it is getting
he's asking
overfitting.
about he has done some work. Nayak, once we finish Sripati, then we will see your things also. Okay. So
Okay, okay, sir.
Sripati,
So
so
conclusion wise, I will say like
mm,
yeah, I will say like I will explore like this imputation, the imputation topic itself, not interpolation.
mm,
Interpolation just a part of that.
mm.
What are the best imputations ways are there based on the model we are going to work on?
Okay, so
Currently it is time series, so we'll be sticking to closer to time series.
okay.
And and today like I tried whatever the time I got. So yeah, next time I'll try to get more information on the thing which it's getting applied
That
here.
is what we should not rush up. At the same time, we should not relaxedly sit and pass the time. So we are putting effort, right? That is good and
Correct.
that is a positive note. Okay, so no
Hmm.
problem. Just once you work it out, right, share those other views also. So
Yeah, yeah, and I have like today I got many of the references also, few research paper also.
yeah,
So
that
those
that
things I
is
will
that
put
is
it on
what
the chat.
the second approach which you are telling. I even didn't heard that even that word. Okay, so something if it is like that, if you share
Yeah, yeah,
over that WhatsApp, it
yeah,
will be
yeah.
good.
I think fortunately Aman is aware of that. So and he
I will
even he
share the
tried.
research paper of that topic.
Okay, okay, good.
Okay, good, good. So this is the one I was talking about. I think Aman mice you have tried, right?
Yes,
Multivariate
yes,
imputation by chain equation. So we have
yes.
a research paper for this. That also I have opened.
Yeah,
Uh,
you can share that.
is there? Yeah, yeah. This is the research paper.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay. It's down. Right away, I'm putting it in the chat. WhatsApp chat.
You both guys are singing very much. Yeah? You and
Because we have not talked, but we are no reaching out to the same point. This is
yeah,
like
yeah, that is
naturally
what.
happened actually.
So even I have searched so many things, but I even come to know this part. So I'm just thinking where
So
I have
yeah,
lagged.
this one even this one came in my mind, but this is more on KNN theory. So
mm,
I left it for time being. Aman, did you try this KNN feature
KNN
similarity?
actually, I have worked with KNN Imputer, which works without time series
Correct, correct, correct.
what it does it fills missing values according to its neighbors in that
Neighbors,
column.
yeah, it's like more on random forest. If
Yes,
we are
yes, yes.
using, then it's going towards that only. So anyway, that's the reason even I have not emphasized. But this one looked very clear, like this is multivariate imputation because we have seven like independent variables, and we have to impute in that. So this is going to work out. That is what I felt, and I thought no thought of exploring, but it happened like just 1 hour back only I got this. So I thought like I'll next time explain or I'll whatever I'll get I'll come up with the next
so
time
so so
with
two
all the
points.
topics.
2 points we got interpolation. Still we need to dig more, and mice
Mm.
we have to dig more into it. Okay.
Actually, Ishwar, from here the takeaway is like interpolation is just one part of imputation. There are
Correct.
multiple options for imputation for different models.
Mm.
So people should start looking towards imputations ways more.
Mm.
Because you can see like after discussing this six way, they are saying like there are other imputation methods and where the interpolation is coming in the picture.
Okay.
So so that is where I felt like oh interpolation even they are not counted
Share
in
this
top six.
link in WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah, right away, right away.
Yeah,
I
that will
have
be good.
yeah, yeah.
Because in previous meetings
No,
also
that is
in chat if you are sharing it, then it is after closing the meeting it will go away.
no, no, no. I put it on this. I kept WhatsApp open. Today I'm with total preparation issues.
Yes.
I'm actively working.
Yes, yes, great. Great to see you.
Anyway, fine. So shall I stop sharing?
Yes, yes, you can give access to Aman or Mike, whoever
Oh,
wants.
I can. Oh, I have that. I can give access to others.
Yeah, you are a host now.
Nike, give the access to Nike
Oh,
on
okay, okay.
social
So what I
Discord.
have to do? I have to go to Amar and then
Right
make
click
host.
that T dots and host, make host.
Give host to Nike. He wants to.
Okay, Aman, you are a host
Is
now,
it?
you can make it.
Okay.
I made him. So how many minutes we have now? It's like 40 minutes.
Oh, we will restart it. No,
Yeah,
no issue. Nobody is
The
in
same link
hurry.
we can.
I have made a host to Nike.
Nike, yeah, please share.
Yes. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. And one more thing, like we should come on video chat once and see each other at this. Like it will be more connected actually. We guys are hearing each other only.
Yeah. Good.
Is my screen visible now?
Yeah, yeah.
I have just tried some interpolation methods. These are the basic steps where I read the that CSV file Delhi June to November,
Mm-hmm.
and we are just replacing the non values with non
Man,
values.
correct.
After that, I'm just counting the
Something, yeah.
null values.
Replacing
Then
the space.
I'm just removing the space in the column names. After that, I have just converted all the objects to the float. after doing that, as we know, we need only 7 columns. That's why I am dropping other columns. Now I am setting the index to the from date column. After that, for just testing, I'm just dropping the NA values, all the null values. I'm just dropping. Before it was 2438 rows. Now it is 1845 rows.
So what is the difference in between dropping the current
all,
one and the last one?
all null values
Ju-
he has dropped. Wherever null value, that row
Mm,
will be dropped.
Yes,
mm.
that
So
row
are
is
we dropping large number of rows here?
yes, yes,
For
yes.
testing, he
Mm.
has done
Just
that part.
just for
It's okay.
testing.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Got it, got it.
Now I have just make copy of. I have just make a copy of this NOx column, new column NOx test. Okay,
Mhm.
just a copy of that column, and here I am just creating a random list of that number and replacing this NOx test NOx test column some values with null values. As we have the NOx value, then we can compare that the interpolation method working or not.
So same approach even I have followed. So what the approach is, just make a data set which is without null values. So then split that data set with by removing some values, and then predict the values, and then just the value, whether it is guessing the nearest or it is the largest. And after that, what I have done is that root mean square error. I have calculated that part. So
Yes,
seems
yes,
the same
same
approach.
thing. I have done that. I have done that. I have removed all the some of the random values from here, and after that, I am predict that using interpolate method cubic, because I have tried all the interpolation method, but cubic one is giving more accuracy than others.
Okay.
After interpolating, I have just write this line of codes correct false. If the same row matches, if the same value matches, then it will count it as correct. Otherwise, it will count as false. But I have got zero correct, but all are 50 are false. Then
What
I
is that
have
correct and
calculated,
false?
sir, if the data is same as if it is
Definitely it will
predicting
not be.
that
Definitely it will not be,
yes,
because okay,
yes,
the even the result it will says the same thing, right? Because
yes,
exact value it will not match. It will be way nearer to
yes.
that. So how much near it is, we have to see it.
Yes, after that I have calculated the difference between them, and calculating the difference, all the values difference, and sum up them. I got the total difference is 587. But using all the methods like here interpolate method, linear,
Mm-hmm.
spline, time, they are as compared to this they are larger. That's why I conclude that by using interpolation method, this one is better than other
So
methods.
where is that work? Like I can see only cubic, right? Where are the other
Okay,
things? You have
okay.
just
I
changed it
just
and
a change.
make
Yes,
a note. That's
yes,
it, right? Okay, okay,
yes,
okay.
yes, sir.
Okay, so final your observation is in interpolation cubic, it is okay. It is okay. No need to execute with the linear thing. It is understood. So you have manually changed that one, and you come to know that which is the best score.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have a question here. Like, I want to go back on the where we have created a separate column. Can you go there, Subrat? Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. So, can you share the purpose again here, like what we have done? I got little confused here.
Sir,
I will tell. Okay, Vinayak.
Mm-hmm.
So the idea is, uh, we
Mm-hmm.
we know so many methods. Okay, but
Mm-hmm.
what method suits for us? How we can judge?
Correct.
we
Mm-hmm.
we we have to judge based on our data. So we have to first observe how our data is, then based
Mm-hmm.
on that data, our data, existing data, we have to choose the method which suits for us. but in real time, right, going in deep with so lot of time with the observing of that data, what people will do, if there are 10 approaches, just run in a shot. So it will give the errors, right, that values, which approach is the best. Okay, it will give some value. So based on that value, they can blindly go, instead of uh, going through so many graphs, understanding the
Hmm.
trends, these things and all those. Normally, even the ML problems or real problems which we are doing, right, we will not stick to one approach. We will do two or three
Correct.
approaches,
There will be
and
multiple ways. Yeah.
yes, so we will calculate the score. After getting the score, we will decide, okay, which is best. So even after going through all the graphs and all those, finally we are seeing at the score, right? So in the first round, right, they will just run like this, and they will come to know the scores which is best. Then after selecting the best one, they will try to tune it, optimize it.
Hmm.
So that is one approach even which I got. Now can you make me host, so that since we both are close together, I also can conclude more quicker. Yeah.
Yes, yes, sir.
So we have only
Go
5 minutes
to,
remaining.
no, we will restart it then. So go to participants, click
Yeah, yeah,
on
yeah.
mine.
Yes, sir.
Now, it's, yeah, it's
Yes,
now your host.
yeah, okay. Then I will share my screen. It is visible, right? Is it
Coming
visible?
up.
Yeah. So
Now it is. Yeah.
so from summary, I will go from starting code, because starting of the code approaches, everybody's thing is same. Okay. So this is what my observation. Even I have not gone through that interpolation kind of thing. I learned it with a simple syntax. Some error came and I left it, since other people are working. I haven't spent much time on it. So what is my observation is, this is mean, median, backfill, forward fill, and these rolling medium, rolling average. These things also I have taken. So out of that, I have calculated that root mean square error, RMS value. So seeing this value, right, we can judge that, okay, these three are having 11, these three are far away. So which one scores better? So at least we can conclude that, okay, these methods are good. Okay,
Correct.
almost near. Okay, these I know, even it will not fit to our data set, but still I want to check the score, how it behaves. So that I have run. Even the next thing is, we that interpolation, so many things are there, right? Instead of understanding what it is, okay, so I want to run like this and try to calculate the score. So he concluded that cubic is the best thing. Like that,
Hmm.
like that we can at least know the scores, and after that attack the cubic. What is the concept? Because there are a lot of things are, right, we can narrow the things of our search, and we will improve ourselves. That is what my idea. And coming to the same thing, I have done with the seasonality of that thing. What I have done is, I checked like the previous year data, if it fits to current year data, missing values or not. So I have taken like whatever data it is missing here. I have taken exactly the last year value, and I have checked that RMS value of that one. Okay, so where is that? Some error came. I think it is not zero. Definitely, it will not be zero. So even I have done something. I got some 30 plus cities previously. Now when I rerun, it was disturbed. I think some code or something like syntax, it was disturbed. So around 30 it is. So even this is not the correct approach. Seasonality, definitely it works, but this manually I have written the code, like going back to last year, fetching that same day value and all those. But it will not like there definitely there should be some algorithms or methods exactly which suits that seasonality. I'm searching towards that, but I didn't find the exact one. So after that, this is the code of what I have done. I will try to brief in short, not from. So this is even data set up to this. All our steps are clear. So this is the data set of ours with only that pollutants, with required pollutants. And after that, I have taken only one pollutant, that is PM 2.5, and I have dropped all null values. Then what I have done, I have taken a random values ranging from 0 to this value. Okay, so and I have generated 5% of that values. So total existing without null values, it is 15,000. So 15,000, 5% of data, some 700 it came. So in 700 it will create the index. So if you want to see the index again, this is the index. Okay, random index. So what it will do, it will take this random index, and I have filled a null value. Okay, null value. So this is the none values data set. 758 is there. So now using the our approaches like mean, median, mode, or rolling average, rolling medium, I have filled up the data, and this data is shown here. So this is the original value, and this is the original value. I made it a none, and after that it is predicting this one using mean, using mode. So this is the data, and mode
So
since
Ishwar, one question here for rolling one. So you are getting the all the columns filled, all the records are
rolling
filled.
medium it is there, rolling average now. Yesterday you have discussed it, right? I think how many minutes more? Hello. Uh, only things changed. Is it audible, right?
Yes. I think people had to join. Yes.
Why my mic went down? Previously it is down there, and I'm sharing, it will go up.
So Ishwar, I just coming back to this data frame. So you said like you have made test data first column test data with all NaN value, right?
So without the null values, I have whatever null values, right? I have totally deleted. Okay, so now I know what is the values of each and every row. Okay, so now I intentionally deleted of values of some rows, so that
Okay.
I will
Randomly.
predict randomly with using that numpy. Okay, so
Correct.
so now I know which rows I have deleted, and I am going to predict that rows. Now I'll compare that actual value with my prediction, and I will see that RMS value. So that now, so
Okay.
how our data, the trends are being there, how much scores it is getting, we can able to analyze. That is the motto of doing all this.
So we
Okay.
will choose the one which is pretty much closer to the actual one. That is what the plan is, right?
Yes. So sometimes maybe tuning of things may require not here in even model level, at model level I'm telling. So
Hmm.
based on this, if there are so many approaches, we will try to figure it out the priorities, like taking this as a score, a reference value, which suits more. We will start with that.
Hmm.
We will try to do it.
Right,
We
right.
then that is
We
how
are,
it is.
yeah, yeah. So I'm feeling like it will be two things: either the generic way, which is getting applied on all the models whatever we are working on, and uh, the other thing is like model specific way. Like if it is time series, so which is the most
Correct.
successful one? It is
So
getting used in
if
the business, and we'll try to reach that way. So that is what I am understanding now.
even right now, my confusion is, see, okay, now we concluded that as per Nayak, cubic is the best one. Okay, so why
Hmm.
cubic is suited for us? At least after selecting that one, now we have to conclude
Explore
something, right?
more in that.
Why
Yeah.
it's suited for us? Why not others? At least one or two we
Hmm.
compare now. Then next time, by seeing the data itself, we can say, okay, this it will suits for us. No need to test even this many things also by
I think
seeing
your
data.
laptop battery is showing like it's discharged.
Yeah,
I got
okay.
confused with mine.
Oh,
I thought mine is getting charged for last 1 hour. It's still showing. Oh,
okay.
okay, okay, yeah,
So,
sure.
so
Sir,
this is.
sir, I
Mhm.
have tried. Sir, I have tried that interpolation cubic method only to NOx column.
No, whatever it is, even I have tested with only this PM 2.5. So
Yes, sir. Sir,
these all
so
are float values, right? And all will
no
vary
means,
approximately the
sir,
same way.
it can also vary that other columns suit other method good as compared to cubic. It also
M-
possible.
maybe that we can run a for loop and we can see the values, like how I have done, right. Here I have run that
Yes,
for loop.
yes, sir.
Okay, so this is for PM
You can
2.5.
visualize also, like you can visualize in one go each and every
Yes.
variable after making a
Yeah,
change.
yes. After seeing, like after, when we visualize now, why the score is like that, linear trends are coming. Those things definitely we will understand. So the
Hmm.
scores are pretty good, or the predictions maybe because of straight lines it is like biased. Like the things we can analyze, we cannot judge those things with these scores.
Yeah, we have to put everything in place, like not leaving any coin unturned.
And coming to Narayana, you are asking something, right?
Yes, actually, for the rolling average, because I was trying for a lot of time, the problem is if at all continuous NAN is there, so it is not filling complete.
Yeah,
Definitely,
what my
it's not filling.
observation I will tell. Okay, for rolling
Mm.
average, what it was doing, without this, like I will show you where it is. Median rolling
Because
average here,
I
right?
have spent a lot of time on that.
I
Yeah.
will, yeah, I will create this one.
Are you passing some argument to the limit parameter?
No. I will
Yes.
just include this one.
Minimum. We also I tried that one also, but still
No.
not
That
applying.
I will. I got this solution, but
Okay.
whether it may be correct or not, I don't know. I will try to conclude my view. Okay. So if you see here,
Yes.
uh, where is this? Here we have two, right? We have
Yes.
two null values even after
Yes.
filling it. So
Yes.
I gone through this type of like a parameter last meeting which we have discussed. Then I see
Yes.
nothing. It is there. So then what
Mm.
I have done just like this. Okay. So here. Oh, then
You used min period, right?
min period,
That.
same your code only.
Okay.
I
Yes. Okay.
why it is saying here.
Spread average.
Maybe previously I have to do
Yeah.
or what.
I think previous cell was.
Okay. See now I will just try to put here. What we'll do, right? For coming up. it is 0.
Mm.
You got it? So
Yes.
what it is doing is, since it is like we are filling fill NA, under fill NA, we are doing this one, rolling average.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So it is like it is taking for that particular row. When it is coming to particular row, it is checking the upper and bottom, whatever we are giving the window size. It
Yes.
is
Yes.
going to that window and it is calculating. But when you do it separately, it is coming in a sequence from
Bec-
top to bottom.
because that is for everything, right? Here, what you did is 0.
Correct.
It come. It is not for only not
Correct. So
none,
what we
not
have
null
to do,
columns.
we should not use fill NA. We have to calculate like this. Then using some indexing comparison or something, we have to move those values. Even
Then
I
if you do this one rolling, yeah, okay, okay. You mean to that say that because this rolling will change completely. So when it change completely, we need to create another column. We need to copy the particular columns only,
yes.
particular row only to the corresponding null
Even
values.
even in pandas there is a like inbuilt one. So what it will do is if there is, it will compare two columns, wherever null values it is there, corresponding column it will automatically fill to that. There is inbuilt ID. I
Oh,
am unable to recall it. We can even with that keyword try to
oh,
search it. Direct it is there. So with this temporary column, we just create it and try to use that formula, compare and fill it. It will directly fill it. No need to even like for loop or indexing comparison. Those things also it is not required.
yes, yes, yes. Got
So
it.
that is what my observation. This fill NA is making this problem.
Yes, actually, wherever I see syntax, they are saying the minimum period they have to use, but
Correct.
even though that is because of fill in
Minimum
here,
period
yeah.
is like if it is only all null
For the
values is there.
first record,
No,
yeah, yeah.
not for the first record. If we
Okay.
have given 3 as a window, if there are two
Mm.
null values, okay, when we
Yes.
give minimum 1, then 1 mean it will take. If there is 2
Mm.
values, then 2 it will take. So minimum we can give even 3. If you give 3, then definitely 3 values should be available in that window. Then only it will create that mean, or else it will create null value.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So
Yes. Okay,
that
got
is
it.
what. Even this after the mean, like all other values, mean, median, so many rolling things it is there. Then I try to do with
Yes,
this
a standard also is there, right? STD
standard
also.
also it is there.
Yeah, I saw that. Mm.
I think this is what even my observation. So that even while reading that blogs, right, at the end I have seen this approach, one of the thing. So then why can't we do it and go backwards like that? I started and I did it.
Mm. Oh, okay, actual and predicted. Okay, Roman square.
Mhm.
Okay.
So anything in my presentation you want to know, or can I transfer the sharing to Raman? So my conclusion is
No,
this one.
yes, I understood this.
My conclusion is this one. So
Last three, yes, yeah,
last
yes.
3, but it is not completed. Like interpolation syntax, I got some error and I have not spent much time on it. So what we will do, at least this approach we will follow. Whatever things it is we are doing, we will try to score it. Okay, then at least we will judge based on that, because seeing the graphs we cannot able to judge 100%. Like it suits somewhere, it will not suits somewhere. So both we have to after going to the score which suits we have to see, and any linearity like straight lines which he has shown us Sripati, that thing it is coming or not we have to see in this graph. So concluding these two,
So,
we can
so
judge
just
this
a
one.
quick question here. Here, this one you tried after dropping all the nan value rows, right? Like
Correct.
that
Yes.
is
Correct.
what. Yep. So still like we have to check this, doing fill up of the nan and then checking the RMS value, right?
For other methods I have done for these methods like
Mm-hmm.
random mean, fill, and a. So RMS values,
Uh-huh.
what the problem is, if there is any null
Mm.
value it will not predict. Even I have done for other
Correct.
methods like rolling average. Okay, so if
Mm.
you see here, mode I got error, because mode if there is even single null value it will not count. Okay, linear interpolation
Mm.
syntax error came, I leave it. Okay, and after that that seasonality something code I write it, but it's not work. So manual path I went and I did it. So even rolling average I got two null values, but when calculating this RMS value it was not came, because RMS value works only with all available values, not the null values.
Correct. It's going to, because it will not work, no, the formula.
Correct.
If any null will happen, then definitely it will be
So
infinite.
if we
So
see this,
that will create
if we
problem.
see this is like two something very minimum, right? Then we can drop and we can calculate. That's what for seasonal test now I have done something. Because going back to 365 days, if it is there in the first month, okay, first few rows, then it will go minus index. So I cannot able to get it. So what I have done, I have taken only those indexes which is available, and still if data is unavailable, like when I go back to 365 days, then there also null value, or it is going to negative index. In that cases, null value will, it will keep null values. What I have done, I have dropped those null values for calculating the RMS value.
No, so I am seeing here like the first action plan, because the data what we are going to collect, it will definitely have heavily like loaded with null value. That is for sure. So the action plan will be, first thing first, we have to fill it by any way, like the best way, whatever we are going to find, and then we can start trying this
So
RMS value.
best way, these two. My observation is calculate RMS value and see the trend. Even sometimes if RMS value is scoring low, also the trends may be like that linear graphs which you have shown. So
But RMS will work only when all your data will have that availability too, without null.
okay,
That is
so
what
if
you are
we
saying,
have
no?
Yeah,
20,000
obviously.
20,000
Yeah.
data with null values, I got like 15,000. Okay, 15,000 of
Hmm.
data with all nulls drop. That is also good enough, right? 15,000 is not a small amount of data.
Okay, so if that is where the question comes, like how much percentage we can drop so that it will not impact the final result. That is the
So
question I have.
uh, that percentage I will not say, because
Hmm.
this time series data, right? Past history we can go back to n number of days. Okay,
Correct.
so we cannot say percentage. Okay, since 1 year, if you are working on last 3 months or 4 months data, then
Hmm.
percentage will not work. Okay, if you are working in 3 years, 4 years, then also it will not work. So thing is, we have to conclude like take out some percentage of null values, remove those values, whichever available, remove those values, predict it, and then calculate this thing. Even that amount of data now, since it is 3 years data, we will get a good accuracy. Means we can follow that path.
And then definitely we will get to know once our model will be ready and start predicting, like forecasting the future thing. And if it is matching, then we will be like
My only
doing
one
the
and
right
one
thing.
doubt is what if that large amount of data is missing, like 1 month data, something large linearity graphs it is there, right? So how we will
Mm-hmm.
fill? Definitely that linear line, it will get biased.
That is
Okay.
what that I explored a lot, and people are doing very generic thing, but I didn't find anything. The one which I shared today, those are like more closer for the
So
stuff what we are doing.
even we have
So,
to put some like limit that if the continuous values are more than this much, then we will
uh,
drop those rows. Last meeting also this point came up, I think. If it is like
uh,
more than 16 or something, then we will drop. Correct, right? Since it
Yes, yes,
is
16. Yes,
taking
16.
the average
Minimum,
value of 16. So
minimum 16. Yeah.
if continuous values of rows, okay, if it hours, 16 hours, if it is missing, then we will drop after those values, so that now whatever it is there, it will be very very less, which we will have. Even that linearity, that linear graphs will miss it. I
got
think
it.
that is okay, I think.
Fine. So let's discuss the next thing. What is the
Yeah,
next
Aman
pointer?
Aman will share
Okay, that my spice is
important,
going to share. Yeah.
important. Okay,
Is my screen visible?
not right.
Not yet.
Now.
Yeah. Now it is.
So first of all, clearing the things out, what is interpolation? Actually, interpolation is a single imputation technique to predict to find the missing values. What I mean by single imputation technique is that interpolation is basically filling the values, inserting the values. If there is missing data in between, like if this is the data and 79 is missing between this 50 and 119, okay, in B column. So predicting, inserting this value is what interpolation. By there is formula for several interpolation. For linear interpolation, what formula applies is that it uses the above where the missing value is there, that above part of that row and the below part of that row, and it do the averaging. There is formula I can show you.
You mean to say it will try to draw a line, a linear line between those
No,
two points?
it predict, it insert values based on the above and below's value. There is formula for that. It's basically a mathematical term.
Below only value or a set of values?
No. It's where the data is missing. It the below's one, the
That is
only
what.
value.
You mean to say the last value from the
Yeah.
column?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the formula. I
So
can.
it's like first value and the last value, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. It's the formula.
Mhm.
And it is single imputation filling of values.
What is that single imputation of filling the value?
Single imputation means if but based on this formula, it will compute and that will be the final value.
Okay.
That was
So there will be no changes. No changes. Like once it's been given, it will be fixed.
And what you have talked about mice multivariate imputation for by chain rule.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it is a multivariate multiple filling of values. Multiple.
So following the same formula, but for all the variables having.
No, it doesn't follow the same formula. It actually what it does is it actually calculate the it is a iterative method. Means
Okay.
it basically trial and find trial and error method. Basically, it is what it does. It applies the linear regression formula in that by default, and tries to compute value based on other column as well.
Okay, so dependency will be there on the other column as well.
Yes, because what we are dealing with multivariate time series.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, we are not dealing with univariate, because univariate is what? Univariate, what it does, if a column, if a row is missing from one column, what it does, it chooses that particular column for computing the missing value. Means if we find mean of that, we use only that column only for missing value. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, but is it
Yeah.
is it the right path? Like there are so many parameters, like 7 parameters it is there. So
Yeah.
whether one is dependent on the other, if it is dependent, then we can use this mice, right? If it is not dependent, if like PM 2.5 will grow in its own way, or CO it will grow in its own way, there is no dependency, then we cannot correlate, right? If CO2 increases, there is some relation, so that even PM 2.5 will increase. There is no reason, right?
But actually, I think my data is multivariate data, because in January the climate changes. Are you getting my point? So what it does, it also depends on the AT which we have dropped, which we don't need. But what AT is doing, atmospheric temperature, I think that's what
Yeah.
it means from the column which we have dropped AT, because we don't need it.
So based on temperature,
So
definitely this PM will vary, because
and
if it is so cool, right, the moisture will
yeah.
be more, and the particle matters PM is, so it will
Yeah,
try to
and
sediment it.
Yeah, I think this is multivariate data which we are dealing with.
So for filling the null
That is what
values.
like we are following what it has been suggested on the portal of AQI, right? Like
Yeah,
how it has been getting calculated, on what basis they are calculating and publishing on the portal. We are trying to replicate the same thing here.
yeah.
If
If
you'll
we
go
are
with the problem
calculating
statement,
yeah, if we
but
are
as you are
calculating the
saying,
AQI thing, we are dealing with all those parameters to, so it is interdependent between each other. No, that's what my point
no,
is.
that is what, like, if we feel like whatever it has been suggested, it is not the like the right solution. Like it is, we can go beyond that also while concluding the AQI value. So do we need to come with a right use case in that very case? Because assumption again we have to prove. We cannot assume and simply bring out the model in the picture. We have to prove
Yeah.
also the assumption what we are having.
Yeah, but if I have not gone deeply into the data thing right now, but if I go deeply into the data, then we will be able to
No, no. Here,
understand.
before getting deep into data, you have to understand the variables, like what are the variables we have and
Yeah, yeah,
how do.
that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, okay, okay. So
So
if you can start, thinking in that direction, like bringing out more relation between the variables, and if you feel like other variables can be considered to get more closer value, then it can be done.
yeah, it's
But anyway, Ishwar, like, what is the next action plan apart from this? Like, this will, like, we will continue
Yeah, well,
exploring.
let's hear Narayana view also. No, he might
Yeah,
have
yeah. Today
his
Narayana is
overlap.
totally silent. I just thought like he will come with something new.
No, no. I showed it actually last time, so I was exploring on that.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
so that
That is not
so
much fruitful actually.
so
So I was silent.
what? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, carry on.
Yeah, what I do does it. Firstly, I have removed the columns which are all parameters are null by this. All parameters are if all parameters for a particular column is null, then I have dropped all null values. Are you getting my point?
yes, yes, this
Uh,
everybody have
uh,
done the same way.
Yes. Okay. So from 16 of October 2017 data is showing, and the total amount of data from that CSV file is after deleting all the null values for all the if all parameters are null, then the total count is 15,167. No, I think it's 15,000 something. I don't remember. Yeah, 15,000. I don't remember it, but actually it is something like that. Then what I have done is I have applied a mice. Actually, mice is imputed from this. First, I have imported the package. It is an iterative imputer. I hope you got what I mean by
Yeah.
iterative
So I'm
imputer.
unable to install this one fancy input because I tried, but this
Yeah, actually,
got
what
lot
I
of error. I got it.
yes, in Google Note in Jupyter Notebook, it's showing error. It's saying
he is
to
on collab,
install
Narayana. He is on collab, so it is happening.
Okay. Okay. Collab.
on
Okay. Able
Colab.
to. Okay.
Yeah,
Because I
Yeah,
he
tried in
is on
Jupyter.
that's
Google.
why I've tried
So
on Colab. So
Okay.
uh, it, I'm able to import
even
it.
for me, it failed actually. So yeah, now I
Okay.
got to know it's working. Yeah.
Then we have Canon imputer also, right? One more thing which you
Yeah,
use
yeah.
it
Yeah.
fancy impute.
In this only we have Canon imputer, but I do not use Canon imputer. I have used Mice imputer,
Okay.
and iterative imputer. What it actually its default is it uses linear regression for calculation of the null values. We can use different type of like we can use random forest also for calculation
Hmm.
of we can use several other algorithms, ML algorithm for computation. Okay.
So did you
Then
bring out any change in the value after applying this?
yeah.
Okay.
Actually, the by applying this method, what I got is I will show you. It will give you in array form because it
Hmm.
uses fit transform method. Okay. So I have then apply in it into data frame form. And when you check for checking of the values, I have used the tail part. So if you check the CSV file, I think I have closed the CSV.
You have not kept date time here, like from date you have not kept in your.
Actually, what in array form it does not take the time format.
Time,
Okay.
okay, timestamp it's not going to be considered.
Yes,
Got
yes.
it.
I have merged it out. So if we go to last value, here see the last value imputed is 971.6, 542, 162.75. All these values are given by this imputer, and and none of the values are showing null here. Okay. And which are the values missing from there? It's computing from linear regression. What is doing it? It is taking it is iterative method. So it's seeing all the columns, and according to which fits data more suitably, it's taking that value. That's why mice imputer is used by for computing most of missing values. The
Actually,
disadvantage.
multivariate, yeah, for multivariate, it is a kind of most preferred. Even
So
I've
here
read.
you mean to say that last row it was predicted one, or what I
Yeah,
didn't get that
actually, but
point.
after applying this mice imputer
Mhm.
for checking of the values, if earlier values are matching with these values or not.
Mhm.
So actually, it's matching with this value,
No,
and
how
it's
can
taking
you
this.
show because I didn't understand because df1 dot tile means that is the predicted one or normal one. I didn't able to get it. Excel,
Yeah,
okay.
this is predicted. When what I have does, it gives the after filling the missing value, it gives in array form. So I have
But
converted
is
into
okay.
data
But
frame form.
my doubt is that last column now in the first step there will be
Yes,
some
yes.
missing values. So can you go there because in Excel all values are there, right? There is no missing value
In last column.
in the
Okay,
last column. So
I can.
take any missing value and compare that one so that how much near it is coming. At least we will
Okay, okay.
see it.
So if you are telling take the one which is actually missing, and if it is predicting, right, is it?
Okay,
Yes, correct.
okay. I have to run it again because
You can
I have
run
to
all,
connect.
no?
Or
One go.
in Excel, in Excel, try to find out that missing value, which
Missing
row
value.
it is there,
I'm
which row it is there, and then
From last, yeah.
try to
yeah.
get that
First
index
column is
of it.
only missing.
First, so many values
First.
are there, right? Don't do that
Yes,
one.
yes.
So come
Yeah,
some
yeah,
between. Here you can see some all values.
yeah. 348. The first column which will show it's having null values for PM10 and PM2.5. Okay.
Wait. That 113 we will see now, right? At least nearer to that.
Yeah. No,
348.
nearer to that, actually,
Or
for that I can.
since this is multivariant, right? Try to see
Yes.
where more values are there and one or two it is missing.
Like for the first column, PM10 and PM2.5 are missing, and CO values is there. Okay.
Okay.
CO values and other values are there. So we can check it from there. Okay.
So you are running for the entire data set, right? You have
Yeah,
not.
because
Okay.
it's reconnecting, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But still, I didn't get how you are validating. Like, if you are
What?
like, see, in a row, there are five parameters are there and one parameter is missing, and you are trying to get that parameter,
No,
right?
actually, it's not showing up because of some this thing index thing I have made from date index. So some fault may be there, but after computing it, if I show you, It's also giving for PM10 also. Just see this. I have used 7 parameters.
That is what,
Okay.
if the value is already available, it will not predict, right? If the value is missing, it will predict.
Yes,
I
it will
totally
predict
understood
and
that one. So how we are judging that the predicted value is nearer to the value which we are
for that
expecting?
we can
So
use for
yeah,
that we can use what you have told MSC, mean square error.
Yes, yes, the same thing, na. At least if we are using
So
or
I've
not,
not
yeah,
used
yeah. That
that.
is what
if
Ishwar.
Aman, if you are using or
Yes,
not, next time or when you are presenting, na, try to do like this, like miss some value intentionally and try to predict the same value. Then at least we will see that whether it is coming nearby or not. You do RMS or not, that is different matter. So that now if we are know the output value and we are predicting, then we can judge, okay, this is working fine or not, or else it will predict something and we assume that it is predicting values are coming, but the actual values are good enough or not, that we have to come to know.
so for that only I have showed you the last column, which is
La-
matching the same which is in CSV file also.
no, the values are already there, means it will show the same value. How it will predict?
But actually it is computing for missing values also.
I think my question
I
No,
is
no,
can show
simple.
you.
Aman. Ishwar is saying like whatever you have like got the output here. No,
Yes, yes, yes,
it is already there in the CSV.
yes,
So what when you are saying computing, then what does it mean? Like it's computing only for the null value, right?
yes. It's computing for null values.
And then when you are claiming the last rows, let's say the last row that 15786,
Yes, yes,
it's already available no in the CSV. Then how
yes.
we
It's
can say
all.
like it is predicting?
It's predicting. I can show you that there is no null values available. See the count. It's all
No,
matching.
no, no. Our motive is not to fulfill the null value here. Its
Yes, yes,
motive is to get the accuracy. Like if you are doing any fill up, then it should be more accurate or closer to the accuracy.
So if I am
So
doing
yeah.
that
doing
way,
by some other means, like you are following mice, I am following interpret, right? Then we have to judge that this approach is good or that approach is good. For that, what how we can judge is just to the known parameters. If we predict now, then we will conclude that, okay, using this method it is coming closer. Like that, we can at least conclude. Now it is predicting,
Yeah, I'm
even
get.
using another approach, right? It will predict, try to predict 100%. So, but the
Yes, yes.
accuracy, which one is good, that with the known parameters, we will predict.
Yeah, I'm getting your point. For that, we can use MSC, what you have told, or R square, adjusted R square we can use. So I'm not used that for predicting the accuracy because my whole time got in
Nice.
what is mice and how we can predict it. What are
But this is good work, yeah, because rest of all you have done some different path and you have explored the code also. It's a really good approach. Uh, so even since we have not put our hands into that one, right? We cannot able to ask much. Definitely, we will also try that one. We will even come up with our actual queries. Now we got at least this thing is available, but we don't know like the how the execution part and all those, or how the operation wise it works and all those. You have explained how we got some idea, then we will put our hands in dirty, make our hands dirty, and we'll work on it, and we'll discuss with this in the next one.
Ishwar, I have a point here. Can we have a blueprint of the action plans? Like if somewhere it's been noted down and then shared among us, like a kind of just understanding the stage we are in and stage going to come.
That is, nobody has prepared it, and we have a projection only up to few steps forward, and after that nobody have discussed it. At least we have to put one meeting now only to discuss
Hmm.
about preparation of
Correct,
that blueprint.
Correct, correct. Because without that, no, we will be only talking, and then we will
Yes.
not understand the
Def
deadline, like
Correct.
till what time we are going to
Definitely,
complete.
in first sitting, we will not conclude that actual blueprint because, see,
Uh,
going deeper,
no,
right?
now we are in good shape actually. Now I feel like team is very much closer, and they are understanding the things like what
Mm-hmm.
we are trying to
So
achieve here.
we put that filling up null values alone for like 2 days and 1 week after that.
Hmm.
Now it's almost reached crossed 1 week. So the plan
Hmm.
it is extending, but why it is extending is not because of people are not working, because more things are coming up. So when
Correct, correct.
when
This
you
is going to
ask,
happen. This is going to happen.
yes,
Yeah.
when we ask blueprint, right, we will say this topic, okay, but inside
Hmm.
that their subtopics are coming up, then definitely it will add up the things.
Yeah, that is where like the sprint comes. No, even though story will be defined, the sprint planning will happen, but still it will drag beyond 2 weeks. That is
Yes.
how the Scrum works.
Mm-mm-mm.
So it is pretty much sure, like whatever the plan will happen, it is not going to happen on the
Yes.
time it's been defined. It will go beyond. But at least the blueprint will help team to
So
understand
so
like
when
stage
when
we
we
are
will
in.
sit, when we will sit for that.
Let's sit anytime. I'm totally fine. Let me know. At least we, whoever like interested, we all can sit and start bringing
Narayana,
that blueprint
are
in the
you
picture.
when we will sit for that?
Any day after 8, any day is fine.
Any day?
So, but the problem is that so we need to conclude
You
few
are not
things.
going in Bharat Bandh, right? After 8 years, right?
No, sorry.
Nobody
You
is
are not
going.
going to do Bharat Bandh, no?
No, no.
You are
Bharat
joining
Bandh,
them.
when it is.
Tomorrow.
It is on 8.
It's tomorrow.
You say
No,
after
no,
8, so
no,
I thought like you are about to join them.
no,
So
because something or
okay,
other will be
Just
there in
kidding.
my office work.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. So that
Okay,
8 p.m.
okay.
completely will have
So
this
Okay,
one.
shall we
okay.
sit for tomorrow then?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. By evening, na, at least instead of
At least
blindly,
we need to conclude this one also because we have steps, right? That one also we need to conclude.
which one?
The blueprint in you should what are the
Correct, correct.
stages?
So instead of
Yes.
coming directly and discussing in a meeting, from morning, if we have everybody have some thought and come na, then since it is only
Yeah,
discussion, we can conclude the things. Or else, it will meeting will happen. We will discuss in general and we will postpone for the next thing.
we will revolve around actually.
Uh,
It will continue.
continue, yes.
Something.
So.
What are the things to put in that? Something at least can
So
we?
that is what, see, this is a total plan. So if I am new to this one, where I will start and where I will end, in between which I will touch it. So
Mm,
all steps for a total execution of the things,
mm,
knowing the things or implementing the things, whatever it is, it will be like plan. After getting
mm.
that plan, we will put the timeline.
Timeless. Okay, okay.
So timeline,
That's
fixing timeline is the easiest part, but
We are about
getting
to get ended
uh,
with this meeting now. Yeah.
maybe we'll conclude, we'll rejoin and conclude, okay, because last meeting also
Okay.
we are concluding
Okay.
without any meaning, and we are
Mm-hmm.
coming up with again without some less work. So let's rejoin one time, 5-10 minutes we will conclude and we'll close, okay. I'm leaving
Yeah, yeah,
this,
yeah. Wrap
I'm
it
leaving this
within.
and reassigning, okay,
Sure.
resharing
okay.
it.
Just for yeah, back again.
Yeah, sometimes it is allowing and sometimes it is not allowing. So
Yeah.
yes,
At
yes.
least I tried last time, no. So one link was enough.
Yeah.
1 month I have used the same link,
Same link. Then it
Okay.
is okay.
Like
Ah,
repetitive something we need to click on might be repetitive
No,
something, right?
repetitive is
ah,
rescheduling every week, same time, I think.
Okay. But
okay, okay.
the same link, okay.
One
It
time,
will not work.
last time or before last time we tried and it
Or
didn't
could
work.
be they could have changed, because people are frequently using the same link, no? So business wise, they will feel like, it should be every time new for the counting the instance also.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Okay, so we will conclude the things. Okay.
Yeah,
Today we are supposed to at least come to some point like filling up of null values. We will conclude the things, but even it was not happened. Okay, but the approaches, the more better approaches
At
we
least
come
we
out.
got few more new
Yes,
things at
yes, yes.
least.
So,
Yeah.
so
Might
till
be.
interpolation, I think we can able to conclude by tomorrow because interpolation there are a lot of subtopics are there. My what my view is instead of going deeper, understanding everything and concluding, try to implement that RMS kind of thing. Uh, Try to get which one suits best, at least for interpolation and backfill, forward fill, whatever other approaches it is there. Rolling average. These things we will conclude with RMS. Try to get the score whichever getting good score, right? We will try to go deeper into it, understand it. If it is not like if we have any doubts, we will discuss in the next alternative day, next meeting. Okay, so this part wise we can say at least we have done enough work, and what is missing is that mice part. It is really interesting, even like multivariate, right? Even if it suits this or not, we can implement even after other approaches also, not approaches, other projects also. Since it is a good topic, right? We
Yeah,
will
at
at
least
least
like as a first, as you said, right? First part we cannot as a finally we cannot conclude that. At least as till what we discussed, we can create one, and then we can work on it because new things we will keep
correct.
on
It will keep on
each
coming.
every time.
So another thing which Sripati also pointed is everybody is working in their own fashion, in their own notebooks, but we don't have any common repo so that we have done
Yes.
up to this level. So it is also missing. So what we will do, we will create one separate
and
repo.
then don't be dependent on Shivani. That is the major part here.
Because their
True.
their path is different and we are following some different path.
Correct, correct. Now we are taking
So
completely different path. Yeah,
so if we merge, then unnecessarily even inside
correct.
ourselves, lot of things will be there. And
No, no, I'm finding people are doing great job. Even Aman, Narayana,
correct,
you,
yeah,
you guys
really,
are doing
really.
lots
Even
of good things, and then
Nayak
it should
also
not
come up
be.
with some good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
today Nike has
Today
shown.
actually
Yeah, yeah.
cubic
So that
cubic
is
one
what
good
like
things.
it's going to make a confidence, and we will be like using each and other code also and make out something in that. So let's
What
have
Seriously,
a
I can
common
say,
bliss.
and I can say that with one person working in data cleaning, one person working in data collection, it's different. People won't gain this much knowledge what we
really,
gained.
yeah,
Correct,
it
correct,
is
correct.
true.
Let's work on each and everything together
Yes.
and bring out all the flavors on same plate.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Now we know many things, the filling of the
Yeah,
values.
yeah, yeah.
So another thing is if you try to merge with that theme, right? Even after some time, what will happen? We will be forced to uh, do with the task like targets. So that it will not happen. Our
No,
approach
I
is
think
totally
if
different.
of course, yeah, that's true. And also, if at all, if it required to match, then we need to take the lead.
Yes, yes,
That's what
yeah.
Then we will suggest what
control.
to do and they will
Yes,
work.
yes, yes,
I think by this time, right? Already we are leading. Okay, filling up null values. Nobody have done this much of thing. Okay,
yes. That's
so we are
true.
already leading,
They
and
are waiting for the cream actually. Ishwar, don't worry.
yeah. So another thing, Nana and Sripati has pointed even yesterday. Okay, so thing is we are like digging more deeper, and we are knowing new things. That is good. But after a few days, we will when we jump to next topic, right? We will forget the thing which we have researched. Okay, it may be like Aman notebook or it may be like Sripati notebook. Something they whoever work, it will be there in their notebook. Instead of that, at
Yes,
least some like bullet, you no need to give some big brief and all those, at least summary, like filling up of null values, total how many it is there per time series, which one is source, like little, at least one page, like only which one is for which one, and we are going through so many links also, like this is the best suit for this time series, like my say he is going to share one link. So those links, right, in WhatsApp it will go away. Instead of that, at least simple for one topic, one page, with minimum only it should be. It should not be like again like paras. Then we will like fed up. We will not be interested in even seeing. So how we will do, just topic and the approaches and the reference links. So in reference links, definitely it will be like pages and pages HTMLs. So at least if we do that one, while recalling, right, it will be very much helpful for us.
And then that is again going to be
Yes.
easy. So what you have to do, like if you'll have a common Git repo for us, there in read.md what that comes, no, anybody can come and update the thing the way you're saying, lines
Then
by, and
that is also good. Then we'll follow only that
correct.
read.md.
We need not have to go multiple spaces. Let's keep it on Git. Everything is there. We can write, we can put
Yeah,
our code.
yeah.
So, and it will be like, it will be a help for anyone showing in future, like how we have
Yes,
contributed as a
even we
team.
can optimize as a team also. Like one guy have written
Correct.
something, then we, if you want to
Ah,
add to the same topic, we can add it, or we want to change something, like we can suggest
it will
him.
show all the values, like how you have worked as an individual contributor, and again, a part of team you have worked, and you have made the progress being a part.
So
So those things can be replicated.
who is familiar with Git in among of anybody is familiar with Git?
I am aware. But yeah, if anybody else
I think
also
if we
wants,
have one video, we can see, then it'll
Yes,
be
yes, it is
it'll be
good
same.
enough.
Yeah, yeah.
But if already
Yeah.
people are having hands
No,
on
yes.
working daily basis, right? So
Yes,
they
yes.
can
No,
take
no.
that Git repo lead, and they can create that
yeah.
repository, and
So
they can
that I
share.
will take care. I will take care, and I will share with everyone.
Okay. So even Git
So kindly
ID,
make a Git IDs, everyone.
Git
Like
IDs
whoever has.
share in that this one WhatsApp.
Okay, everybody is having, right?
Everybody is having.
Yes, yes, yes.
Then it's good. Yeah, we will add like I will add
So
everyone in that as a contributor.
even how as a team maintaining single repo, we will get to know if we are practicing Git, right?
Correct.
We will come to
It
know.
is
So that
more helpful in terms of
it
handling
is needed. It is
microservices.
not help. It is needed. We are working.
Yeah.
And so two things,
And
and
the third thing is the blueprint. Yeah.
blueprint tomorrow we will discuss, but at least all
Okay.
come with some
So
points.
tomorrow we will be meeting, right, for 30 minutes to make a blueprint on that. Yeah.
Yes. When? What time? 9 o'clock only, or any other time?
Yeah. 9 o'clock it is fine.
Okay.
9 to 9:30.
Yes, at least morning time we will spend some time, and the evening we will gather our views, and we will
Correct.
use that one.
Yeah.
So
Sure.
what about these building null values? Up to still what extent we will go, or any conclusions on this one?
In my opinion, till next meeting we should wrap up with null values,
Okay.
because
So one more thing is there. If next meeting we can keep one more day in buffer and not meet like in 2 days. Let's meet in 3 days. But by 3 days we will be in a position to complete this.
yeah, so many concept has been now.
So if team is okay,
We
then
can-
we can space.
We will do one
Or
thing. We will do one thing, Sriti. You create a repo, share it tomorrow. Okay, it's not going to be a big task, right? So what we will do, one guy na at least update. There are a lot of methods, right? Instead of waiting for everything to be get ready, okay, approach one, okay, we have done, and approach two we have done. Now mice is coming at the last, right? Last approach. So let it come and add it even next day or after 1 week, no problem. At least we can say that apart from mice, we have done the filling part, and we have some conclusion. Okay, conclusion wise, only one thing it is missing is that if it is large amount of data missing, what we have to do, that I have in
that
my
also, yeah, we have to explore.
that is what my view I have told. Okay, that if it is more than 16 or equal to, greater than or equal to 16, then delete it. Total row, delete
Yeah.
it. So that is what my view. If any other approach is there, try to conclude in tomorrow or day after tomorrow meeting, so that right, that repository filling up of null values using other methods, we will try to close it. Okay, interpolation and these mice, we will keep it open, because even the terminology people are not aware of which method is for what purpose it is. We will try to
Yeah, that is what.
dig into it. So till that time, the other approaches, which is best, we will get some conclusion and we will move. Because even in conclusion, na, we are having so many hurdles. Like this linear graphs is coming, what to do? These like lot of variations are coming, then what to do? These decisions we will close, and we will confidently will say yes, we have done this part. Until now we are working and we are good. Okay, we are working in the right path only, but
No, one
output
thing
we
is
are not
it's like
seeing.
learning will be continue even though your model will be working very
Yes,
accurate.
yes, yes.
Don't worry. You have to keep on optimize your model,
So
and
who will
there
take
will be
lead
things.
of updating that code?
I will take care. I will create the repo and
Repo
like
you
I'll
will
show
create, right?
everyone.
But whoever done
Yeah,
this large amount of data,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
If they have taken, because Aman, he is already working in mice, okay, deeper into it. So I don't want
Hmm.
him to get into it. And code wise, you are still exploring more number of things, right? So you also
Hmm.
just explore more number of things. And Narayana has done some good part in coding. Means he has
Okay.
so
Narayana can take a lead in that. No, no
yeah,
problem.
so whatever till
Sure.
this date, right? Already you have
Hmm.
done some code, right? And with RMS, we can include and we can conclude some data.
Even you guys have done. It's what like you guys are holding large amount of code now.
Uh,
So can we put on the repo?
that is what. So Narayana and myself will combinedly will like discuss what to put, what not to
Hmm.
put, and we will make that code available within maybe 2 days. Can we put like this,
Yeah, yeah.
Uh,
Narayana?
sure. Sure. Regarding the conclusion of the missing values, this one, are they till what extent we did?
That is what. So conclusion of the missing values is done apart except this mice and interpolation.
Okay.
Okay.
So to which one? So apart from this one, we need to conclude one, right? So
So which
then
one?
after conclusion only, we better if we
Correct.
can
So
do the
which one
proper one.
is based on that RMS value. So now we have
Yes.
so many things. We will rerun that code. Okay, we will see that which value is it is getting better, and we will in the comments there itself we will write, okay, because based on this RMS value we are concluding this it is approach. Maybe after that we will slightly go deeper, like why this is suited best, at least
Yes.
to
Sir,
judge ourselves.
I have I have checked which interpolation method suits per NOx column. Like that, I will check for other columns.
Yes.
Go for it.
Ah,
Yeah.
mm.
Yes. Yes.
That is what. See, once we have standardized and done one code, right? Oh, here some set some point. Then we will validate that particular part, and whether we will implement or not, we will close that. So now and then, now issues things will be closing, or else discussion. The point will come. Okay, we
Yes.
will agree and we will close it and we will forget it. So code wise, the base one, in the next meeting we will be uploading to that one. So whatever suggestions it is there from each and every one, we will keep on updating, and we will conclude each and every line, even that part, that much. Good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Totally agree. Yeah.
Mm. Maybe
So that means conclusion of the method for the fixing is not at no need
conclusion
till
is
now, not at right,
conclusion is done.
not there.
That is what I am telling. Conclusion
So
based on the
which
RMS
one?
value, whichever it is coming
Okay.
best, we will take that one.
So out of which like backfill is there, forward fill,
That
and
is what.
also that interpolation.
Only two things are pending, which people are not
Okay.
gone deeper. That is interpolation and
Okay.
this one. So
Okay.
whatever remaining
So
other
they will.
parameters, right? Those we will
Okay.
try to implement it.
Okay. So that's when those things will keep it, and other things also will include in that.
Yes.
Okay.
So backfill, forward fill, rolling average, rolling median, whatever it is. After that,
Yes.
uh, after that, what we have done. Seasonality I have done, but that is not the proper approach.
Yeah.
That is not the proper approach.
I will keep it aside that.
Uh,
Okay.
so concluding, we will conclude only up to this. Okay. Then we will see.
Okay. Yes.
Then we will
Yes.
see.
We'll add this two again. Mice and this one interpolate.
Mm.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
So next
So
next
yeah. So
meet
tomorrow.
task it is understood, right? Sripati will create that new one. Narayan and myself will create that code after yours.
code.
So,
Correct.
and Aman will be looking
Continuing exploring mice
mice.
with more
Mice.
better example like how it
Yeah.
is getting done.
Uh,
Subrat will continue
Nayak,
with interpolation.
okay. Nayak will conclude that cubic or interpolation.
Correct. He will go with all the variables individually for cubic.
Naik,
Yes.
what you do, you have done changing manually every time, right? Instead of that, use some for loop and use this RMS also, and try to come up with some conclusion with the code. No, we should not say like manually change this and then rewrite the code and observe these values. It should not be like that. It should be like if you run the code, it has to print something
Okay, sir.
like
I
RMS
will
values.
I will create functions for all of that.
Whatever you wish, whatever you wish. No
Best way
boundaries.
you can you can go with loop. You can go with function. Oops, you can go.
Yes.
So after creating, we will discuss. So whether we can optimize or it is quite enough, good enough. We will discuss after creating. Okay. So taking interpolation, try to come up the best approach among the interpolation. Aman will go through that mice thing. So we can conclude
Okay.
even these two. Others
Yes.
even we
So,
will also
yes.
put our hands try to understand that mice even. Aman, please share those links. Okay, so that we
Okay.
will also go through that so that.
The research paper which Shripati has shared, that
Already shared
what I
only
am.
one. Any other thing?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that is the one. That is the one.
Okay.
Actually, luckily we were working for the same, but we didn't discuss actually. Even I put the
Yeah.
same.
No, but that research paper include all that 6 or 7 approaches are there. That is the
No,
thing.
no, 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 no. That is just for mice. That is
Mice
only for
only.
mice.
No. Then
Yeah.
share that first one, right? Which have more
I said I
approaches.
think that link I have shared for both.
In that link
Uh,
only, there is option for research paper.
Okay,
research.
okay. So the base paper you have shared that will be good then.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I think we are good to go. Okay, tomorrow we will
Yeah.
meet with for preparation of improvement.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay, guys.
Good
Good
Thanks
night.
everyone.
Okay.
Good night.
Good
Bye.
night.
Good night.